Alright, location requested, allow. Okay, now this is my project. It's entitled Hungry. I think the name really works for what the project is about. It's if you're hungry, then you're in the right place. Um, the idea for this project is to simply house or index all the food places and restaurants, snackets, and so on around Georgetown. What the situation is currently is that when you want to find out information about a particular restaurant or their contact information or maybe see images, you need to go to their website or go to their Facebook page. But what happens if that particular place doesn't have a website, or you're not on Facebook, or Facebook goes down or something like that, So a simple solution would be to have this one central location and this one central place where you can have all of these places be stored, profiles on each restaurant or each snacket or whichever place it is stored right here, and you would be able to see their location, see maybe pictures, place orders from for their respective places if they have that available. You can order through this website just by going to their profile. You can maybe write reviews, or run rate places. I mean, the reviews and the rating isn't there as yet, but that's an extension that can come in down the road. But yeah. So when the page loads, you get this map, right? You are prompted for your location, so it's going to track your current location. And for the time being, it's just a simple interactive map. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. You can see, like right here, I'm moving it around. I see JR Burgers right here. You can click on that, and I get this pop-up of JR Burgers, their address, and a simple rating. I think this is coming from Google. But yes, I mean, it works for now. And also you get on the left here, this left region, you get places you may like. So what this section is, it's profile images being pulled from the database and populated here. So right now if I click on this one, it's going to get the ID and hit. So you see this pulls up the spicy dish profile. And for now it's very simple. It's a simple transparent overlay, semi-transparent overlay. And here you get the name, the profile image, the address, the telephone number, about us, placing an order, and the total visitors count. And place an order, well, it's the same thing. I'll get to that in a moment. But I just want I just want to point out this background. It's a it's a baked apple, and it's layered or covered in syrup. So it's kind of right. I think it's very attractive. The title and everything. I think it's really attractive. And yeah, so place an order will take you to this this ordering component where you would be able to fill up this form. Just put in your name, your telephone number. You have to select the restaurant you want to go to, your order. Select the time, pick up or delivery, and yeah. So you can place the order, you can restart the form, clear all fields. Yeah. And you can also go back to the home page, sign up. And here you can. This is the place for restaurant managers to sign up. If you own the restaurant or you're managing it, you can come here and you can sign your restaurant up, and it'll now be indexed in our system. So here you have the first name, the last name, the restaurant, and the You fill up these fields. The category, if you're steakhouse, Chinese, fast food, or a buffet. So you fill this up, and you hit sign up, and you become a member of our system. Additionally, you can log in, but let me go back home, and this is the home page. And now allow me to log in. My password. And here I've logged into the website. So this top overlay here is similar to Drupal's overlay. At the top, Drupal's toolbar. I have these links, and here I have my welcome username, this nice profile image being this nice thumbnail, and the logout option. So I go to home, it refreshes the home page. I go to profile, I can view my profile. See, this is my profile, my name, my email, my profile image. This is not me, by the way. I'm a computer scientist, I'm not a musician, so it's not me. And here you can edit profile, and I see that I have my name, my email, and I can update the respective fields, or I can upload a new profile image. So if I choose file, maybe let me see if I can select one from here. Select this one, and I can upload a new profile image. That will work. And now let me look at settings. Now with settings, I'm able to manage users. I have this table of that's going to pull all the users from the database, and there's a search built into this table whereby I can filter out their names. So if I want to search for, let me see, Garden, GR, see that filter works. I'm also able to set roles for individual users by going to this drop down here. It's going to pull all the users from the database, and I can set their respective roles. You can also delete users from this another drop down component. There's permissions. On this page, this is similar to Drupal's permissions page, whereby you have all the permissions and the associated roles with those permissions. So here you can see I'm the admin. I have all the roles selected except email admin. Managers can view profile and edit profile. Email admin, but they can't email managers. And anonymous users can only view profiles, as we saw earlier when they were able to do that through the places you may like. And yeah, email managers. Well, this is I'm able to send out a general email to all managers or to an individual manager. Fill up the simple, like a contact form in a sense. And I can now just, yeah, it says you're logged in here, and I can log out. Sends me back to the home page. I don't think I demonstrated. If I didn't demonstrate this, sorry, I can't remember. Let me type in Chalman here. Spicy dish, and I can to their profile, to the spicy dish profile. So that search works pretty good. Let me show you the database. These are the respective tables. My page's info table, which will hold the page IDs, title, content, and hits. It's not populated as yet, but the idea is to hold. It's just going to hold for reservation and for sign up. Permissions. You're going to see all the permissions associated. We have 6 of them. Restaurant, this one. Restaurant name, address, telephone, category, tags, description, profile image. The role table has the roles and their associated IDs. Role permissions map permissions to roles. The users table here. Now this is not actually, this is supposed to come out, so let's take that out. Active means that once it's 1, you're allowed to log in. If it's 0, then you can't log in. You have user role, which maps roles to users. So that's it for this project for now. Still to implement some more stuff, but for now it'll work. Thank you. Sir?